Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you how to check the transmission fluid level. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, before I show you how to do it, I will quickly explain what has to be done. Now, the engine has to be running and it has to be warm. So what you want to do, you want to start the vehicle, leave it running for at least 15-20 minutes so all the fluids warm up, and then while the engine is running you will be checking the fluid. Also, it's a good idea to take a vehicle for a short drive before doing it. And one more thing, make sure the vehicle is parked on even flat areas, so no uphill or downhill. Okay, so I've been on a short drive, the engine is running, and now I will show you. You will see this cap all the way down there. This is where you will check the fluid level, and here is where you can add the fluid if you are low. So what you will do, you will just unscrew this cap all the way and pull the dipstick out, because the dipstick will be attached to this cap. Now, before checking the fluid, you will wipe this dipstick clean, and then you will insert it back inside and then pull it again out. Okay, so mine is now clean, and now I will quickly explain this dipstick. So you can see it says check hot, so that's why I said the engine has to be running and the fluid has to be hot. And you can see here on the dipstick where you're supposed to be. So you want to be just around here. If your fluid is somewhere down here, or if it's even not on the dipstick, that means you have to add it up. I know if you're just flushing the fluid, you should need like 5 liters of fluid, and if you're doing like a complete change, the complete fill is, I believe, 9 liters. So just for your information. And the fluid type for these vehicles is Dexron-VI. Okay, now to check the fluid, insert this dipstick all the way in, and then again remove it straight out. And I hope you'll be able to see mine is just here above the marked area, so just around the hot letter. So this is just maybe a bit overfilled, but nothing too crazy or to be worried about. I had this fluid flushed recently, so just wanted to double check how it looks, and as you can see I have enough fluid. Now, if this fluid would be like up high the dipstick, then that means it's really overfilled, but this is all within normal area. Yeah, and this is how you check it. Once you're done, you can just screw the cap back on and turn off the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.